Tesla killers or Tesla is a killer? Stay tuned. Well, hello everybody, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. So if you've been following anything that is being published on many newspaper sites, blogs and all that, I've been reading them all, and everybody's talking about this is Tesla killer, the next Tesla killer. Rivian came up with an SUV and the truck and it's a Tesla killer, and Jaguar I-Pace is out and it's going to be a Tesla killer, and everybody is a potentially Tesla killer. And I say that Tesla is a killer itself. Tesla actually is the one who is doing the killing. Not literally, of course. It's the metaphorically killing. And basically Tesla is killing it, to be blunt. And the reason I know that is just look at the numbers. And I'm going to give you some basic raw numbers. And they're not killing it in the EV industry, they're killing it in the car industry, and there's a lot more room to grow. So first of all, as for the EV industry, this year so far, in the first 11 months, there were a little bit over 308,000 EVs and plug-in hybrids were sold in the United States. A little bit over 308,000. Out of those, Tesla by itself sold over 160,000, more than half. So take Tesla out, you get less than half of their production. All right. This month alone, the month of November, I always talk about the month before. The month of November, a little bit over 44,000 EVs and plug-in hybrids were sold in the United States. Okay, more than 25,000 of them were Teslas. Again, more than half. So 55 to 60% of all EV sales in America are Teslas, Model S, Model X, and Model 3. And of course, Model 3 is the biggest number, and we're talking about tens of thousands. There are over 114,000 so far since they start. They are now making 7,000 units a week, not a month, not a year, a week. There are cars who don't sell it at all. Okay. Now the second competitor is a GM with the Volt and the Bolt, and you know I'm driving a Volt right now. It's a great car. And this car is going to be discontinued, unfortunately. Hopefully something else will come out. The point is that Tesla is doing the killing. I just saw interviews with few executives from who appeared at the auto show in Los Angeles just this past week. And I'm talking about from Mazda and from Porsche and from Volkswagen, from every industry, and their opinion about Tesla is that what they're doing is staggering. They are changing cultures, changing the whole mindset. In others are now following Tesla, not the other way around. So Tesla is the one who's changing and actually killing it for everybody. And again, I keep saying it every month. It's like I feel like a broken record. That if they're not going to join in very soon, they're going to be left in the dust. Remember, there are no more than 10 to 15 viable car companies and manufacturers around the world. And what is Tesla doing is just unbelievable. Really unbelievable. So I want your opinion, guys. Tell me, does Tesla have a killer down the line? Is it Audi? Is it, I don't know, is it Rivian? Is it Porsche? Is it Jaguar? Who is it? Or Tesla is the actual killer? Leave me your comments. Let's have a nice discussion. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my awesome channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a Patreon or shop at the Electric Israeli store. See you tomorrow, guys.